Dear viewers, in this video I will share you 100% guaranteed way to avoid loss in intraday trading. So first, let's have a look what it takes to make money in intraday trading, or how one can make money in intraday trading. See, in intraday, if you feel that a particular stock or an index will move up on that day, so you can similarly purchase that stock or index in the morning trade and sell on the afternoon trade. Or if you believe that a particular stock or index will go down, then you can simply sell in the morning trade and then buy on the afternoon trade to make money. This proposition will make more attractive with the 10x leverage. It means, suppose you have 20,000 in your bank account or your trading account, then most of the brokerage offer up to 10 time leverage. It means, although you have 20,000, but you can trade in intraday worth rupees 200,000 or 2 lakhs. So with the 200,000 trend, even if you make 5% of profit, then it will turn out 10,000 of profit. So just having 20,000 rupees in your bank or trading account, you can make 10,000 up to 10,000 in intraday, whether the market goes up or moves down. So apparently till now it looks very much easy to make money, and not only easy and attractive to make money consistently in intraday. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Have you ever seen any person across the world are making consistent money or have turned millionaire or billionaire from intraday trading? It's not. In fact, if making money from intraday trading had been so much easy, then most of the world population would have been the same profession. But in reality, what we find, it's not like that. So majority of the world population is not in intraday trading. Now let's have a look what it takes to make money in intraday. Successful intraday trading requires full day dedication. You must have to sit in front of the trading terminal or in laptop for the 7 to 8 hours in a day, chalk out multiple strategies, implement those strategies, execute the trade, and then you may make money or you may lose money. That's also a very much mentally exhausting process. See, in whatever with the profession, if you lose money, that's put a kind of mental exhaustment. So intraday trading is a very much mentally exhausting process, and I have also noticed that multiple day traders even lost their sleep. So now the question comes, what's the only way, what's my guaranteed way to avoid loss in intraday trading? Well, to avoid loss in intraday trading, the only guaranteed way is to avoid intraday trading altogether. Remember, no matter whether you are making 1,000 or 10,000 or you have the bank balance of 1 million or 10 million, if you don't have time and good health to enjoy that money, that is worth nothing. I am repeating, listen this message very carefully. It doesn't matter whether you have 10,000, 1 million, 10 million or 1 year in your bank account, or whether you are earning daily 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs daily. It doesn't matter. That money is worth nothing if you don't have time and good health to enjoy it. So my message is, to avoid loss in intraday trading, the only guaranteed 100% way is to avoid intraday trading altogether. You may not believe my message. Well, if you don't believe it right now, just test yourself, do intraday trading continuously at least for 1 year. Then only you can realize how much is difficult and how much is the mentally exhausting and full day involvement requires intraday trading. And then you can easily realize that the only way to avoid loss in intraday trading is to avoid intraday trading altogether, because it's really not that much worth to earn money with so much day involvement and with that much mentally exhausting process. However, one can make consistent money in long-term investing with much less dedication, and that's not that much mentally exhausting process. If you want to know how to avoid loss and earn consistently in long-term investing, then subscribe this channel. Don't worry, I won't say that to earn money consistently or to avoid loss in long-term investing, simply avoid long-term investing. I don't say that, because I myself created fortune and financial freedom at much younger age from long-term investing. Not only me, there are so many people across the world. There are many billionaires and millionaires across the world who have created fortune from long-term investing, but not with the intraday intraday trading. So to know how to avoid loss and earn consistently in long-term investing, simply subscribe the channel, because in this channel I share multiple such insights that will help you, that will definitely help you to make a much better investor. Also, do check out my best-selling book on Amazon. Simply visit Amazon and type my name, Prasenjit Paul. You will find in the book maximum readers. There are thousands of readers mentioned. That's a must-read book, and that's the simplest or easy to understand book ever written to avoid loss and earn money consistently in the stock market. To conclude this video, I'll repeat, to avoid loss in intraday trading, the only guaranteed way is to avoid intraday trading altogether. Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section. Also share your own experience with the intraday trading in the comment box. You feel free also to share this video in Twitter, Facebook, or with your friends or those who are suffering loss in intraday trading, because that might help them a lot to avoid loss in intraday trading. And that's it from my end as of now. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Goodbye.